The names of 4 companies the Auditor General's report had listed as beneficiaries of the university hospital's misuse of its tax-exempt status were revealed today. Lawmakers are now pressing for those involved to face the consequences. The troubling issue was ventilated during Tuesday's meeting of the Public Accounts Committee at Gordon House. We have the details in this report.
There have been more questions than answers since the Auditor General report on procurement breaches were released. Among them, who were the companies that benefited from the hospital's misuse of its tax-exempt status to import items for the entities? And so, at Tuesday's sitting of the Public Accounts Committee, the issue was again brought to the fore. This was Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn to the acting head of the UHWI.
The 4 companies, do they have anything to do with the University of the West Indies Hospital? We know that Jamaican provides janitorial services to the University of the West Indies. Are the other companies that were named in this, the other 3 companies, do they have any direct employment contract with the University of the West Indies?
Only one, Supreme Laundry.
And
we have done business with Scientific Medical because we buy things from them, and Wilman Sales also.
The Jamaican group of companies is operated by Member of Parliament for St. Andrew East Central, the PNP's Dennis Gordon. Mr. Gordon, who is a member of the Public Accounts Committee, was noticeably absent from today's meeting. Prior to Tuesday's revelation, Jamaican in a statement distanced itself from the adverse findings in the AG's report. While the Auditor General's report found that UHWI used its tax-exempt status to import goods for the private entities, resulting in significant unpaid custom duties, it did not name the companies or attribute fraud or wrongdoing to any specific company. But Mr. Hostin says progress is being made in the criminal investigations underway by various bodies into alleged fraudulent activities at the hospital.
MOCA has requested statements from certain employees, and we are expecting their submission this week. Customs has already sent the result of one of the investigations, and we are awaiting the remaining results.
The issue of some missing files in relation to the investigations were also highlighted.
When I took up the position, I insisted that they must find them. And they were able to locate the 28, and then after submitting those 28, they found one more, make it 29. They have so far been unable to locate anymore. They were in storage.
But Committee Chair Julian Robinson pressed further.
My understanding is that that area was flooded at least 2 or 3 times based on heavy rainfall. That was my understanding.
Can you be more specific? Where were these things being stored before?
As the Senior Director of Public Procurement said, Chair, they were in a storeroom. And just placed
what kind of storeroom?
Just in a holding area where they would store.
Like the shed at the back of my yard where I put my lawnmower in?
No, Chair. In the procurement unit, Chair.
Listen, people are watching, you know, and people are going to think a joke business this, you know. No, people really going to think it's a joke thing that we can be saying in 2026 that institution that spends billions of dollars just putting in filing cabinet. I would like the report on that formally to be brought back to the committee because I can't accept it. I cannot accept that.
In the meantime, committee members called for the ministry to implement measures aimed at strengthening the governance framework.